Hello everyone, welcome to Sanshi Tutorials. So in my previous videos I have discussed the chapters circles and quadrilaterals and polynomials and the theorems which are come in that chapter I have discussed. So before starting today's topic, those who are new to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So today's topic is the congruency. It is one of the major topic in our class 9th. So congruency of triangles. When do we say two triangles are congruent? Congruent ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ directly to the triangles, let us first discuss about some of the basic things about congruency. Have you seen the 1 rupee coin? Another 1 rupee coin. If we place this 1 rupee coin on the other, will it be completely fit to this space? ಒಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಣ್ತದಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, 1 rupee ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್, ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is also, if we place the one on the another, it will fit. Such objects are called as congruent objects. Also your photo of a same passport size photo, okay, if your photo is like this, okay, so one more passport size photo if you take, okay, one more passport size photo if you take, see, if you place this on the other, it will be exactly fit into the space of one another. Also your hands, see, I am holding this hand exactly here and you can see only one hand now, right? Only one hand. So all the fingers which are in the right hand will fit exactly behind the fingers of the left hand. So such objects are called congruent objects. So in that we have a square of same sides are always congruent. The squares of same side are always congruent. We have many examples for the congruent objects. Also an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what? See here, equilateral triangle means all three sides will be equal. So equilateral triangle of a same side are always congruent to each other. So before getting to the congruency, so this is the basic knowledge which we need to have about the what is the meaning of the congruency. This was about the basics of the congruency. So now let us discuss about the congruency of triangles. When can we say that two triangles are congruent and how to prove that the two triangles are congruent? For suppose I have a triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, I have these two triangles. ಈ ಥರ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ corresponding angles of one triangle must be equal to corresponding angles of another triangle. Corresponding sides of one triangle must be equal to corresponding sides of another triangle. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ corresponding angles ಮತ್ತೆ corresponding sides equal ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ angle A must be equal to angle P, angle B must be equal to angle Q, and angle C must be equal to angle R. Okay, so ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ AB must be equal to PQ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ BC equal to QR and this AC must be equal to PR. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನಾವು ಏನಂತಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ congruent to each other. The both triangles are said to be congruent to each other. For example, we will take, see, in the same triangles, I will take this as 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and this as 7 centimeter. If I need to be these two triangles congruent, ನನಗೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I have to choose this triangle. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್, ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್, ಇದು 5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಇದು 6 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಇದೇನಾದರೂ 8 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಎರಡು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 50 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 70 degree. Okay, so here also the same angles should be there. Okay, instead of the angles, if the one angle is changed, that means here it is also 60, it is also 60, means these two triangles are not congruent. The two triangles for the congruency, they need to have all the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides must be equal. Then the two triangles are said to be congruent. ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ದ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್, ಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC congruent to triangle PQR. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿನೋಷನ್ ಈ ತರ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿನ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಈಸ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ PQR. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೊಟೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸರಿನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೊಟೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ triangle ABC congruent to triangle QRP. No, this is wrong. This we can't write. The order is also very important here. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ABC, after A B is coming. Here if we take QR, of first it will come Q. So in between A and B, that means AB. Okay, the angle A is 50 and angle B is 60. But if we take QRP, first we will get angle 60 and angle 70. So the order must also be equal. What is angle A? 50. The 50, which is the 50 angle here, that must become first. So this is the correct one, not this. The order is very important. One more thing, if I take another triangle LMN, and this is 6 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter, this is 50 degree, okay, this is also 50 degree, and for suppose this is 80 degree. See, can we say that the triangles are congruent? No, because the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides are not equal here. First, you see, for these two triangles need to be congruent, we require AB equal to LM, but which is not correct, right? Because here AB is, okay, here AB is 5 centimeter and LM is 6 centimeter. So this is not possible. Why? Because see, the triangles are having different sides. So these triangles are not congruent. That we will write it as triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle LMN. So this is about the congruency of the triangles. How the two triangles are congruent? What are the conditions for two triangles are congruent? That we have to discuss. See, once the two triangles are congruent, if we know, for suppose we are given any two triangles, then they have given that the two triangles are congruent to each other, then we can say that if the two triangles are congruent to each other, then the corresponding sides and angles must be equal. That we can take it as corresponding parts of congruent triangles. In short form, we will write it as CPCT. That means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. The meaning of this statement is, whenever we are given two triangles and the triangles are said to be congruent, then immediately we should think that the two triangles are congruent, so the corresponding parts will be equal. That is, all the 6 parameters, that is 3 angles and 3 sides, all these 6 parameters are always equal whenever they have given that two triangles are congruent. So now we have discussed about what is congruency. So if two triangles are given congruency, what the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles must be equal. So I told that CPCT, because of that CPCT, we have to take, when the two triangles are given a congruency, we have to take the corresponding parts must be equal. See, for suppose they have given triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, means the corresponding angles must be equal to corresponding sides. Here the corresponding angles are, A is corresponding to angle D, okay, angle B is corresponding to angle E, angle C is corresponding to angle F. Similarly, side AB is corresponding to side DE, and side AC is corresponding to side DF. Another one, side BC is corresponding to side EF. So this is how we need to take if the corresponding angles must be equal. Okay, corresponding angles and corresponding sides must be equal when the two triangles are given. It should be when the two triangles are given congruency. So this is what about the congruency of the triangles. In my next video, I will discuss about the criteria of to say that two triangles are congruent. How the two triangles are congruent, different criteria we have. Okay, all those criteria I will discuss in my next video. Hope you all understood the concept. If any doubts are there, please comment in the comment section, like, share and subscribe our channel.